Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to change the birthday tied to Apple Cash by updating your Apple ID. First, make sure you're signed into the correct account on the device and have your passcode plus the two-factor device nearby. Once ready, open Settings and tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. You need account access to update personal info. This is why you must be signed in. From here, move to Apple ID account details to edit birthday information. In the Apple ID section, locate the birthday field and attempt to edit it directly. If settings won't allow changes, open a browser and sign into Apple.com. There you can edit personal info including birthday. Make sure to save changes and authenticate with two-factor when prompted. If the field is disabled or locked, often for child accounts or verified identities, you'll need to proceed to support steps. This middle step is where verification matters. So once you save the new birthday, restart the device and open Wallet to confirm Apple Cash reflects the update. If it hasn't propagated, give it a few minutes and sign out, then back into the Apple ID to force sync. If changes remain blocked, contact Apple support and be ready to verify identity with photo ID or account details. This usually resolves locked or minor account issues. One key tip: if the account is part of family sharing, the family organizer must approve or make the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.